never compromising on quality. By ensuring international standards in production, BMTF has achieved excellence in manufacturing, resulting in the acquisition of all types of ISO, BSTI and Alpha rating certificates. Medicines, leather goods, ready-made garments and packaging products produced here are regularly exported to countries in Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa and South Asia, earning foreign currency and showcasing Bangladesh's capabilities in the global market. The pride of Bangladesh, a victory march of progress. Under visionary leadership and the close supervision of the Bangladesh Army, thousands of people have found a dignified working environment and new meaning in life. From highways to battlefields, from hospitals to the corporate world, under the unwavering support and guidance of the Bangladesh Army, BMTF stands today as the symbol of a self-reliant Bangladesh. Embracing the slogan BMTF Excellence in Production, it has started a new chapter of progress where industry and patriotism merge into one.